Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yakuza 0 Director's Cut game crashing or not launching or not loading, lagging or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, first highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. Now after that, select Yakuza 0 Director's Cut game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. First open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Now choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, open settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally select update using internet option. If not, next is to reinstall Yakuza 0 Director's Cut game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 first and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install the game again to check for the error. If the issue continues, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and then the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video.